and I think it's still wrong to have a teacher service commission in the Constitution, but with no representation from the teachers. Teachers should be in the Teacher Service Commission. And the reason why I'm saying so, the Judicial Service Commission, practicing lawyers elect representatives to the Judicial Service Commission. In the Parliamentary Service Commission, which is supposed to look after members of Parliament, members of Parliament sit in that commission. So I hope that in this journey, never give up, never give up, never give up, never give up, and never give up, until in the Teacher Service Commission, there is not a retired teacher, but a teacher in service sitting in the commission. Otherwise, hao watu wataendelea kusema hakuna pesa, hakuna pesa, hakuna pesa. When it comes to teachers, hakuna pesa. Lakini kama kuna mambo mengine kuna pesa. So, tukushirikiana, I know the country can listen, so that wale, ukitaka hata kusaidia mama mboga vizuri, start by helping a teacher. Because teachers actually look after children of mama mbogas who have slept hungry. I've gone to schools where teachers are giving kids who have not eaten for days something to eat or buy. You are one of the biggest, although you are teachers, but I consider you as under your various associations, including CAPTCHA, as probably a big political movement. If you talk, the nation has to listen.
We will end with a word of prayer.